Labia stretching, also known as labia elongation or simply pulling, is one of the oldest African practices related to female sexuality. It consists of a form of genital modification in which labia minora is consistently pulled to reach a certain desired length, and it is practiced in many Central and Southern African countries, including Rwanda, my homeland. As a medical doctor born in a country where 80% of female has practiced labia elongation at a certain level, I have made a short illustration of how it is made in my country. Labia stretching is performed by gripping the labia minora, pulling downward. You make attention to grip the upper part of the inner labia that is near the clitoris and start pulling it repetitively since a young age. You have to lubricate your fingers with a mixture of lotion and traditional herbs composed of cow ghee and plant extracts such as Solanum acelaostrum, Dunal, Centella asiatica, Pedans pilosa, Spermacose princeps, and so many others. This makes the labia swell and grippable due to irritation and inflammation, and know that this might be very painful, especially for beginners. Then you start pulling sessions that are made repetitively for about 30 minutes each session. You can make one session daily, twice daily, or some few days every week. The more frequent and consistent you do it, the more the results come quicker. And this is how appears your genital parts with elongated labia. Note that this is considered beautiful in our culture. This practice can be done in couples of girls, where two girls sit down facing each other and cross their legs, each facing the genitals of her mate. In this position, she can see very well and perform stretching for her mate, who in turn do the same to her, vice versa. If one girl is alone, she can perform it by sitting down, bent forward with knees flexed up to the shoulders, and touch her own genitals with the arms passing below her thighs. She might be directly watching herself or through the mirror, and then pull her own labia, as we mentioned. Rwandan girls used to do this until they reach about 6 to 7 cm of labia minora, which is medically considered as class 4 labia hypertrophy, which may be an indication for surgery in Western countries. But the practice is generally considered by Rwandans as positive. The practice is still discussed with controversy about its importance, but still a certain number of young Rwandan girls perform it each year. I am Dr. Aristarke Muganga. Keep on watching my videos and remember to subscribe to my channel. Ciao ciao.